This mayor in Croatia was being interviewed when a 6.4 magnitude earthquake hit the area.
Pogotovo što sve ono što smo radili u interesu.
Dobro. Ogroman potres.
Kajde.
This is what the tongue of a cat looks like up close. This cat is obsessed with the smell of this man's beard. This is what it's like to ride the elevator in the Eiffel Tower. Here's a baby armadillo drinking some milk. This dog got caught practicing its mean face. These baby burrowing owls were rescued and then released back in the wild, but they needed a little push. A photographer captured video footage of the International Space Station passing in front of the moon. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed.